Haha, Victor Isibor here. You already know what's going on with you. First timers, what's going on with you? You're welcome to my YouTube channel. You see, in this place, all I do is analyze, make money online opportunities, helping you with your due diligence. So if this is the thing that makes you to come to YouTube, please help me to subscribe to this my YouTube channel. I'll appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Returning subscribers and viewers, salute. Like in the military, it's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Disclaimer: Victor Isibor is not a professional financial advisor. Please don't take my word for it. I just do these things for fun, even though 9 out of 10 times I am always correct. But still, ignore me. Do your own research. I shall not be responsible for any of your financial decisions. There are scammers impersonating me, creating funny Telegram channels, asking people for money. Please, I am not the one. I will not ask you for any money or ask you to invest today and 50% tomorrow. I don't do that. Okay? Make sure you do video call with anybody that claims to be me. And don't send money via crypto to anybody that claims to be me. Tell them to give you a typical bank account that carries my name and surname for you to be able to verify. That aside, let's talk about why we are here today. Glutech.io is why we are here. Glutech.io. And this is their website. And they said straight off the bat, the ultimate trading artificial intelligence. Stick with me till the end of this video where I'll give you my counterpunch. I believe that's why you're here. This is a single script website. That means that if you tap on the top right corner menu, all right, all the bars there, you would eventually find them if you were patient enough to just scroll down on the website. Makes our job easier, okay? We will come back and look at the contract, but in the meantime, let's scroll down and interact with the website. The ultimate trading artificial intelligence. Then we scroll. They said latest technology, verified smart contract. And they said, what is cryptocurrency? We already know that. They are defining smart contracts here as well. Programs that are stored on a blockchain that run when predetermined conditions are met. Okay? Everything is automated. Then they said, what is Glutech? They said it's a community-driven blockchain technological company which aims to provide a platform of trust, transparency, and collaboration with its participants in order to create easy income flow for its community using the very best of blockchain smart contract technology. Okay, how to earn. Now, they said that you can be getting 2% daily returns for 7 days with a minimum of $10 worth of BNB. Okay. They have another one, 2.5% returns daily for 30 days. Minimum is also $10 worth of BNB. 3% daily, 60 days. Okay, $10 worth of BNB. Welcome to Glutech community. Level earnings. Okay. They said, note, you do not earn direct referral, but on a rebate, which is to say you earn from the daily earnings of your team members up to 10 levels. This is fantastic. Okay, all the profits that everybody you bring and those that you don't bring that are your indirects down to 10 levels you earn as they earn. Okay, watch out for my counterpunch. I'm going to say it as it is. That's what you guys know me for. Weekly leaders rank, rewards, and conditions. Okay, rank 1 if you have 5 directs, personal investment of $100, team volume, yada yada yada. I'm not interested in all this. Glutech features daily percentage income. You can earn up to 3% on a daily basis. Referral earnings, leadership bonus, compounding, penalty. This is, of course, when before the end of the contract you want to take out your money. This fee will a fee will be charged, but it did not specify what fee will be charged if you want to take out your money before the end of the tenure. That's all. That is the end of the website. Okay, for avoidance of doubt, Yeah, I can confirm that is the end of this website. Like, that is the end of this website. I'll be back. But first of all, let us look at what they have in their contract. Now, you can look at the contract here on BSC scan. Okay. They have this amount of BNB there, 133,000 plus dollars is available on this particular smart contract. All right. That is about approximately 563 units of BNB. Okay. Then, all right. So these are transactions, okay, that are going on within this smart contract. Okay. Okay. All right. This is the address. All right. 0x995 is what begins it. So look at this. These harvests, as a matter of fact, is these Glutech people are the ones that are harvesting. It is not investors. You see, look at it carefully. Look at it carefully. From this wallet to this wallet. Okay. So this wallet is the recipient. Glutech is the recipient. So that harvest is, Glutech collected money. All right. So all those transactions are from different. Look at these wallets at different addresses, and they are sending in money to the same address, which is belonging to Glutech. Okay. OX995. All right. Okay. Let's make it make sense. Stick around for my counterpunch. When we leave here, we'll go back to the website and we will try to make it make sense. All right. So these are transactions. Now, I want to go to internal transactions. So you see, as money is coming into OX995, the monies are leaving, okay, to different wallets at different points in time. Different wallets at different points in time. All right, and the amount that is leaving is also being indicated. All right, that means that as money comes into that wallet, that smart contract, money also finds its way out of the smart contract. All right, so this is essentially a money circulation model. All right, remember that on their website they said that they are trading. There is no trading going on here. Money comes in and the money goes out. Look at this. 10 minutes ago, when the money was coming in at the initial place as well, when we checked for transactions as well, the monies were coming in 10 minutes ago, micro units ago. And as it's coming, it is leaving. So this is essentially, look at it. See, the money is leaving there. Look at this is their address. And it's leaving to different wallets in real time. Look at it. 10 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. That means that continuously money is leaving this particular smart contract. All right. Money is leaving this particular smart contract. Okay. These are internal transactions. Let's go to transactions like we saw earlier. As money is coming in, we are seeing now as money is leaving. Let's see as money is coming in, and we'll check in real time. All right, you see, money is coming in 10 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago, 17 minutes ago, from these external wallets, all right, into their wallet 0995, okay, which we can confirm from BSC scan here. That's their wallet. All right, let's go back to their website and let me give you my counterpunch about this particular opportunity. Now, while their website is loading, let me counterpunch. They said the ultimate trading artificial intelligence. Now, if you want to trade with money has to be domiciled somewhere, more like a liquidity pool. The money is there, then you trade with it. Okay? The money is not supposed to be like a channel where money comes in and boom, it has gone out. You don't just take money, send it out, take money, send it out. Like, that way I begin to question if there's trading going on. And who the recipients of these monies are, we don't know. The code behind this smart contract and the instructions that it has been given, we don't know. We cannot ascertain, okay, who these monies are going to. All right. Now, I scrolled through this entire website and there's no reference to those that are running the project. We don't know who they are. We don't know who their antecedents are. We don't know where they are operating from. Nothing. No such information, okay, was given to us. All right. And this platform is shady regarding what exactly they are doing. Remember, basic Ponzinomics. Don't invest in what you don't know. If I ask any Glutech member now, what do they do with your money? You don't know. From the transactions we saw on BSC scan, we see that money is just coming in and boom, boom, boom. Those monies are going into different wallets. All right. We'll go back to the BSC scan. I'll give you a very safety conscious advice there. But let me finish up here first. Then, come on, guys. By their returns, we shall know them. If you're offering these kind of returns, 3% on a daily basis for an airdrop, people don't know this. Airdrop is a situation whereby a company is giving out freely their native token as a way of popularizing it. They own it. They can give it out anyhow they like. I can understand that. But in real life market of demand and supply, you tell me you can be making 3% on a daily basis. Come on, I trade crypto too. I don't know how you can guarantee this. Okay? When the market can dip massively without any pre-warning, this ROI smells like Ponzi. Okay? They're not even giving a range like you can make between this and that, because crypto is not predictable. They are predicting the market and they are guaranteeing you that you're going to earn so and so. And the reason why they can guarantee it is simple, because they are not trading. And now, this kind of compensation plan is why this platform is popular. Those that are promoting this platform, they don't think it's legitimate. They are smart. They know that this is a glorified Ponzi scheme, hiding under the big grammar and complexity of smart contracts. We've seen this before. You all remember baked beans last year. Baked beans, Vitalix Kitchen, these kinds of smart contracts come and go. Lifespan, anywhere between 1 to 2 months. Boom, they are gone. So this, your upline who told you about this business because of this compensation plan that can make even the holiest and righteous man to become greedy. Imagine, if you bring me into this business now, any profit I make, 10% is yours. If I now suffer, I go and bring my wife underneath myself. 7% of my wife's profit on a daily basis is yours. My wife now decides to bring our first son into the business. 5% of our first son's trading is yours. My son now goes to school, meets a friend, brings his friend into that business. 3% of that boy's trading is yours. That boy now decided to bring his girlfriend into this business. 2% of that, his girlfriend's daily profit, is yours. His girlfriend brings our friend, who brings our friend, who brings our friend. Those friends, 0.5% of their daily profits belong to you. So why won't you throw your conscience away? Why won't you become greedy all of a sudden and decide to promote this? Come on, guys. If Victor Isibor really wants to make money, it doesn't cost me anything to promote every Tom, Dick, and Harry platform that shows up, cash out, and when they disappear, I come with another one. Because this is lucrative, guys. I must say this. It's lucrative. All right, so let me go back to their contract and show you something that you need to keep your eye on while you are interacting with this platform. Okay? This platform is run by ghosts. And when people are hiding their identity, they know exactly why they are hiding it. They are not just hiding their identity. They don't want you to be calling their names anyhow. Please, you can feel free to take a screenshot of this. Okay? Take a screenshot of this. The moment you see that these numbers are beginning to drop, because a rug pull is not always sudden. Some people don't pull the rug once. Some people, they draw the rug gradually. And that is how I'm hoping these people are going to exit, because I don't want them to shock you. So keep an eye on this figure. If it is going down too much, my brothers and sisters, it is time for you to pack your things and begin to run. So on a final note, let me counterpunch. This platform, of course, we don't know who's running it. The percentage returns on offer is unrealistically high. I don't trust it. It looks familiar to other fraudulent projects I have reviewed in the past. I mean, come on, guys. You can't just put your money in a place where you don't know where they are operating from or anything. And again, especially when the platform is very brand new, a website that they registered 29th of May, and we are in July, less than 2 months old. I don't trust this platform. And look at their registrar, Namecheap. They went for the cheapest registrar. You know, when you want to do something that is short-term, sharp, you don't intend for it to be too long. I beg, if they bring big-time registrars, you're like, no. I can't handle this one. Bring the cheapest one in town. They went for Namecheap. Their registrant decided to hide himself. Please, don't go and cast me. I don't want anybody to know who I am. Okay? They are hiding. And, I mean, come on. It is what it is. You use your tongue to count your teeth. My name is Victor Isibor. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.